Hi Dr. Phone fans! Today we're going to show you what to do when your phone is frozen caused by certain apps. If your iPhone starts malfunctioning when you launch particular apps, then chances are that there is some issue with that app. The first thing we can do is force close the app. Simply double press the home button to get the app switcher and swipe up the app that you wish to forcefully close. Another way to fix the iPhone frozen issues is updating the corrupt app. Just go to the App Store and tap Updates from the bottom tab. Tap the Update button, sign in your iTunes Store password, and tap OK to update the app. Or simple enough, you can just update all apps by tapping Update All. Another way to fix iPhone app frozen is to clear the app's data. Take Safari for example. Go to Settings, Safari, and choose Clear All History and Website Data. Restart the app afterward to check if it fixed the iPhone frozen issues. If it still doesn't work properly, maybe it is time to delete the app from your iPhone. To delete an app, simply hold the icon for a few seconds. The app icon will start wiggling. Now just tap on the delete icon to confirm your choice. The app and all its data will automatically be deleted from your device. If neither of these solutions would seem to work, then you can consider resetting all settings. Go to iPhone Settings, General, Reset option, and tap on Reset All Settings. Then your iPhone will restart. This will delete all the saved settings from your device, but will keep your data intact. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions, leave them down below in the comments section.